Google AI Studio, one of the most powerful and completely free tool from Google for coding, building apps, generating videos, and even debugging without needing any coding knowledge. So, let's explore Google AI Studio and how it can help you to build app with just natural language. This is the landing page of Google AI Studio. So, once you land into this page, log in using your Gmail account. Here, there is different features available to build apps. To build the app, you have to choose Build AI App or Build option in left side. Now, let me show you how you can build the app using Google AI Studio. This is the input section where you have to give your inputs. It can be prompt, image, or file for Gemini to understand what you want to build. Let me explain what is prompt engineering first. Prompt engineering is a process of giving clear and structured instruction to an AI so that it understands exactly what you want and produce the best possible output. So basically, good prompt is equals better result in Google AI Studio. So here you give the input query. Here the speech is translated to text for building the app. Also, there is an option to upload files, image, etc. You can upload any of that as a your requirement. If you have given a screenshot of application, Google AI Studio will be able to analyze the requirement in the image and will process and build the application with the provided details. There are features or third-party features available in Google AI Studio, which can be added along with your prompt for better building of your application, like Nana Banana powered app, create conversational voice app, and animate image with View app, etc. Here you could see different models available in Google AI Studio, like Gemini 2.5 Pro, Gemini 2.5 Flash, and all. So, why is Pro models and Flash models? Pro models are basically used for best for coding and reasoning, whereas Flash models for fast and cost efficient. I'm selecting Gemini 3 Pro model for better output. Next is which language you want your application to be built in. I'm a professional Angular developer, so I'm choosing Angular. You can choose any. Google will handle error, debug, and resolve error by its own. So no worries on language debate. So I'm giving build a calculator and it take about 2 minutes to build the app with given prompt. It's generating. Application is ready. I'm not satisfied with the generated code for the app. Did you feel the same? So I'm updating with a prompt to improve it. I'm giving a prompt like defining required background, white and green, size and positioning of the application, as well as styling. This take about 2 minutes to update existing code made by Gemini. Meanwhile, we can explore how Gemini built the app. Here in the code, these are the files generated by Gemini for the application calculator. The language used here is Angular. I have done nothing. It's all generated by Google Gemini. And in preview, there is option to see app in the different view like larger screen or laptop screen, mobile view as well as tablet. This ensures that the developed application size and positioning is compatible with all these before deploying. Also, I'm renaming the application name to Advanced Calculator. So, there is the option to restore and see the difference of updated codes. See, now UI gets better after no changes in the code. Now, let's test the app. AI mode option was also available in this calculator. Let's test this. 5 plus 7. This gives 12. Now, back to the standard calculator. Let's test. 5 plus 7 is equals 12. Now the application is ready for the deployment actually, as the test was successfully completed. Here, Sync GitHub option is available. Here I have given repository name as calculator and a short description about the app. Once after the syncing to your GitHub account, it's ready for commit changes to GitHub. I will show pushed code to my GitHub account under repository calculator. From here, you can move code for further process of your app availing it in online. Now, let me show you how you can use this application offline without directly deploying. I'm downloading the application. Now it's available in the zip file. Extract the folder and I have to open the extracted file in Visual Studio Code. In file.env.local, you have to replace this placeholder text with API key. This API key is available in Google AI Studio. In Get API key seems to get API only after the billing, which require payment in Google AI Studio for using it in offline after download. So I'm not using right now.